Okay, welcome back to my channel. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how to create a Christmas card. So let's press T on the keyboard. It'll take you straight to T here. One click. Merry Christmas. So I've got Merry Christmas here. Hold down Shift. Let's go for a different typeface. So I've got Merry Christmas here. Let's go to Object. Let's go to Envelope Distort, Make with Warp. That's my Merry Christmas. And you can try out different warp options here. So you've got arc lower, arc upper. Yeah, just play around with these settings here. For now, I'm choosing arc, and that's it. So Christmas colors. Let's go for Christmas colors. So find your swatches. Click here. Red. It won't work because it's already been distorted. Yeah, now let's try red, and for the stroke let's go for a dark green. That's good. Let's make it better. So now we want the stroke. So if you click here, 3, yeah, let's increase the size. Yeah, let's increase the size. Hold on Shift. And now let's do the envelope distort. Make with warp. Choose arc. That's better. That's Merry Christmas here. And let's go for a Christmas tree. So I'm just going to create a Christmas tree using basic shapes. Let's go for a dark green. There you go. This is the direct selection tool. One click and click and drag. One click, click and drag, and then rotate. There you have it. That's the beginning of our Christmas tree. Hold down Alt, click and drag. Hold down Alt, click and drag. Select, right click, group. That's one tree. Hold down Alt. It's another tree. And another tree. So this one here, let's change it to a lighter green. It's better. Hold down Shift, add it here. Let's add a snowman. Stroke black. There you go. Hold down Shift. Reduce it somewhat. Another Alt. Scale it down. That's our snowman here. switch it to black. That can be the eye. Alt, another eye. Just holding down Alt. And there you have it. Let's go for an orange nose. This is the pen tool. Click, click, click. Let's pick a nice orange. Switch. That's my snowman. Select. Group. Let's move it here. Let's get the buttons. Here's the buttons. Let's get the hand. Alt. Alt. So we've got 3. Actually, let's get okay. Group. That's the hand. So let's pick out a nice brown. It's a bit too big. There you go. Command C, Command V, rotate. That's my snowman. Okay, let's do a nice border. So for the border, we can do, what should we have for a border? I know we can have just straight lines, I suppose. Let's get Christmas colors, red and green. Hold down spacebar, Command C, Command V. Command V again, right click. We want to rotate it 90 degrees. Go for the preview. Okay. Command C, Command V. Command minus. Command G. Will group everything. There you have it. That's the tree. right click, arrange, send to back, and now hold down Alt, hold down Alt. That's your trees done. Use the cursor keys to go down slightly. Merry Christmas. And let's add a bit of snow. Hold down Alt. Click and drag. Have fun with this. And there you have it. That's your Merry Christmas Christmas card. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time.